Convert the following expression to rectangular form. Okay, so 5. I don't like this symbol. This is not really showing complex number, but we will use it. This means the angle. This is the size of the vector. This is the angle. And we'll have to assume that we're not talking about the x, y coordinates here. We're talking about imaginary numbers, but that's what the section we're in. So we will have the y-axis as the imaginary and the x-axis as the real. 60 degrees. It's 30. That's not indeed. So 60 degrees is about here. So let's put this line is about there. And this distance is 5. And this guy here is 60 degrees. If there was no symbol there, you have to assume radians. But there is a symbol there, so it is going to be degrees. And now we just need to figure this into rectangular coordinates. So we need to figure out this guy right here, this x distance. And this, well, I'm going to call it y, but it is the imaginary side. And because this angle is less than 90 degrees, we can use a tan. So we can say that, what's our equation here? What do we got? Tan is opposite over adjacent. No, I don't want to use that. I want to use sine because I know my hypotenuse. So sine of 60 degrees is equal to, sine is opposite, opposite over hypotenuse. So it's y over 5, okay? So therefore, y is equal to 5 times sine of 60, okay? Plug that into your calculator. Cosine of 60 is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse, so it's going to be x over 5, which makes it multiply both sides by 5. That's what I did upstairs here. X is equal to 5 times cosine of 60. Get our calculator out, and we're going to have 5 sine of 60, which is going to be, oh, I am in a negative number. It does not seem right. Y should be positive, so I check my thing. Oh, I'm in radians. Let's change that out. So make sure you're in degrees. 1, let's try it again. There it is, 4.3. That seems more reasonable, doesn't it? And then we'll just change this to cosine, and we're going to get 2.5. Okay, so this number here, we'll call it Z. Z is equal to the x value, the real part will be 2.5. The y part will be plus 4.33i. Okay, that's how we're going to represent it in rectangular form.